Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This stock one-owner 2020 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with only 2,422 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and reverse. This factory trike offers all the enjoyment and thrills of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels. It's powered by a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine with a 6-speed transmission that puts out an impressive 122 foot-pounds of torque. It weighs in at 1,084 pounds and has a seat height of 27 inches. This vehicle has received our premium service in detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.